If Snapchat keeps logging you out automatically or suddenly closes on your Android device, it could be due to a few common reasons, and here is how to fix the issue effectively. First, check if you were using any third party apps, plugins, or modified versions of Snapchat. These are against Snapchat's policy and can cause your account to be locked out automatically for security reasons. If you are, uninstall them immediately and switch back to the official Snapchat app from the Google Play Store. Next, update Snapchat to the latest version. Go to the Play Store, search for Snapchat, and tap Update if available. App updates often fix bugs that may be causing forced logouts or crashes. Clear the app cache and data. Go to Settings, then Apps, App Management, or Manage Apps, depends on your phone model. Then Snapchat, then Storage, and tap Clear Cache. If the problem continues, you can also try Clear Data, but remember, this will log you out and you will need to log in again. Check your device security settings and ensure there are no background apps interfering with Snapchat's login session. Also, disable any battery saving or background data restriction settings for Snapchat by going to Settings again, then Apps, App Management, again Snapchat, then Data Uses or Battery, whatever your settings are, and allowing unrestricted use or disallow the restriction. If you are using a VPN, try turning it off. Snapchat may detect unusual logins from different regions and log you out automatically as a safety precaution. Lastly, if you suspect your account has been compromised, change your password immediately and enable two-factor authentication in Snapchat settings under Security. This will help prevent any unauthorized logins. Following these steps should resolve the issue if Snapchat logging out automatically or closing unexpectedly on an Android device. If this video was helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos.